Welcome to our ink pen and watercolor drawing tutorial. Today, we'll be showing you how to create a beautiful artwork using these two versatile mediums. To start, grab your favorite ink pen and a sheet of watercolor paper. Begin by sketching out your design lightly with the ink pen. Don't worry about making it perfect, as watercolor will cover up any mistakes. Once you're happy with your sketch, it's time to bring out the watercolors. Choose your palette and start filling in your drawing with vibrant colors. Remember to start with lighter shades and build up to darker tones for dimension. As you add watercolor, don't be afraid to blend and mix colors to create unique effects. The beauty of watercolor is in its fluidity, so let your creativity flow. Continue adding layers of ink and watercolor until you're satisfied with the final result. Don't rush the process, take your time and enjoy the meditative act of painting. And there you have it, a stunning ink pen and watercolor masterpiece. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own artworks. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative content.